I got a good one.
Catch any walls going?
Yeah, right now.
Nice.
Good one too.
Oh, it is a good one.
There we go. Well, that's better. This isn't fighting anyway. Last one didn't really fight. Yeah, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, last second you gotta get tangled. Bug come in like you got.
Yeah.
Because we're catching nice perch, but I want that hog of a perch. I've never caught like a, I can't say for certain I've ever caught like a pound perch. Look at this. It's just as hot as when we came here.
Mm-hmm.
I can't even fish 2 lines. Oh yeah, he's a good one. See how the transducer though? Oh, he's not. He's in the transducer. Yep.
Nice, nice.
Oh, it's a good one.
Has to be.
That is a good one. Look at that noodle rod just bend. Be a crappie.
Nice.
Don't hook my other line either. Oh, that's a big, nice perch.
Nice perch. Oh, what a save! What a save!
Gotcha! Here we go. Look at that.
Yeah, you down.
There's something higher up. That's me. Yeah, there's a transducer. You found it. That's okay.
You found it. There it is.
There's my other line. You found that too.
Just a hot mess.
Hot mess all day long.
Might as well come get mine while you're at it.
Hot mess all day long.
Oh, that was a nice hook set.
Yeah, he came way up for that. He came way up. I was just dropping that down and I got a bigger bait down. Yeah, it's a nice perch.
That was a nice one.
I guess he really wanted a wax worm.
I guess. It's nice on my phone because it's almost real time too.
There we go. Finally nailed that sucker.
Got him.
You got the, look at this one.
That's a good one.
Look at that one. That's a good one.
Nice one.
Got him on the slab wrap. This might not be a perch. Oh yeah, look at that.
Good one.
That's a big fatty. Coming up for it. I'm on the drop. Oh man.
They smoked that.
They were ready for that. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna get myself hooked. Look at this.
What do you got?
I got a little walleye.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Little Walt. But I already know we're getting into the walleyes over here.
That deserves a picture. In your wildest dreams, did you ever expect this?